The digital age has changed the way we live and do business. We'd rather use WhatsApp than making long, tiring international phone calls. By shopping online, we avoid the long, painful lines at the mall. We can do a lot with just one click, like reading ebooks have become a huge, money-making online business with a lot of readers all over the world because the internet is so easy to use. Since ebooks are still a new idea, this video will show you how to make money in 2022 by selling ebooks in ways that haven't been tried yet. You need to put your attention on three things: writing, publishing, and marketing. But before we start our video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell button as well. If you only want to read the way you always have, you might be surprised at how profitable ebooks are. As of 2020, ebooks had a huge $18.13 billion share of the global market. Any business owner can get a piece of that market, as long as they do it the right way. If you look at the numbers, you can't ignore the fact that writing ebooks can be a profitable side job. Choose a specific topic. When you put pen to paper, so to speak, you should choose a specific niche. Choosing a popular topic will give you value, but it will also make you compete with more people. Why would someone read your ebook instead of the hundreds of others on simple subject like how to make money? Instead, do the smart thing. Narrow down who you want to reach. The less competition you have, the more specific your niche is. You could instead write how to make extra money or how to make money blogging. This will make sure that people searching Google for similar content will be able to find your ebook with just one search. Don't forget to proofread. When writing content, you should follow the rules of writing in general, such as making it interesting and engaging. If you don't think you're a good writer, you can hire an ebook writing service to help you make your content more Google-friendly. When you are done writing the book, you shouldn't rush to get it out there. Instead, take the time to proofread the text and fix any spelling or grammar mistakes. Putting out an ebook that is full of mistakes is the worst thing a writer can do. At the very least, run the text through Grammarly. Add authoritative links for marketing. If you want to make money selling ebooks in 2022, you should get as many people to see them as you can. Ebooks are very different from regular books in a lot of ways. You want people to see this ebook as a reliable and trustworthy source of information. You can only do that if you use high traffic links and research to force other websites to link to your ebook in their articles. This is a great way to market your content. You can use reliable sources like JSTOR, Harvard Business Review, Google Scholar, The Wall Street Journal, and Bloomberg, to name a few. This link building will help people who are looking for similar content find your ebook and increase the chances of a sale. Make sure your ebook works well on smartphones. Research shows that by 2022, there will be about 6.6 billion smartphone users, and about 54% of the people read digital books on their smartphones. If you know what your reader likes, you will be more likely to sell. So, the key is to make sure your ebook works well on the smartphones. That can be done in two ways. First, you should choose the right format for publishing, such as EPUB, AZW, or PDF, which are all considered universal and can be used easily on any device. The next step is to check that the ebook format makes it easier to read. The small size of the screen is the biggest problem with reading on phone. When you add bad formatting, you're gonna lose a lot of readers. Today's reader is smart and knows what's going on. They don't just want good content, they also want a comfortable experience as a whole. Choose a font that is easy to read, like Times New Roman, Arial, or Courier to improve this reader's experience. Also choose a 12pt or 14pt font size so that it's easy to read no matter what device your reader is using. Choose well-known platforms for publishing. People are buying and reading ebooks like crazy, so there are a lot of places to publish them. You would find that a lot of ebook authors publish their ebooks on both Amazon KDP and an aggregate site. But the more platforms you have to deal with, the more trouble you will have. Here are some of the most popular and best ebook publishing platforms you can use in 2022. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. A lot of people use it, a lot of people read it. Barnes & Noble Press has been around for a long time and can be trusted. Blurb is a complete platform for making and selling ebooks. Payhip has a number of ebook marketing tools. Wisma has ready-made ebook templates. In 2022, ebooks are the new goldmine. You can write and publish an ebook that will get the readers and money you want if you use the right strategies. With just one successful launch and sale of an ebook, this low-cost, high-profit side job can quickly turn into a full-time job. Take the plunge today. Start making money through the internet, which is easy to use and is always there. If you don't have the time or knowledge to write your own ebook, you can hire a service to do it for you. That's all we have for today. If you have any queries, leave a comment below and we try to answer you as soon as possible. For more money-making ideas, and also please subscribe to our channel SmartYourBiz. Our mission is to show you how to build a profitable business online with affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and freelance step by step. From your first step to your first customer. SmartYourBiz. Stop dreaming. Make it happen.